Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this simple shift dress, going to have front facing on it, and we are using doll face material to do the front facing, and we are using 2 yards of Ankara fabric to make this beautiful style that you can see me wearing on my body. You can see how simple it is and very beautiful. So guys, don't forget to bring out your material so that we can cut this style together. So if you're interested to know how to make this style, I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. You can see how beautiful it is, very beautiful and very simple to make. So keep on watching for you to understand how to make this style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Please ask your friends to also subscribe to my channel. You can also ask your family members to also subscribe to my channel. So you can also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload beautiful tutorials like this, so you'll be the first to see it and also learn how to cut and sew these ties on your own. Like I said, if you're interested to know how to make this simple style on your own, please keep on watching and let's get started with our tutorial.
So this our material that we're using to make this front facing that we use doll face. It's a doll face material that we're using to make it, and this is the Accra 2 yards that we're going to use to make this beautiful style. It's a shift dress that we are making on this beautiful style. So what I'm doing now, so I want to fold it, so I'm cutting it all together. So I'm folding it in 4 pieces, and my viewer also asked a question that how did I get the body measurement. So what I folding here is 11.5 is what I'm folding, and that 11.5 is the weight. That is the weight, the body weight that we are using to cut this style. And since it's a shift dress, so if you are making this kind of style, if your body is 50 or 40, that is, I'm just using any measurement to describe it, so you just add on it so that it will be free. So our length that we are giving now is 37, and that is the weight that I'm telling you, that is 11.5, and that is what we are working on this shift dress. So we'll get started with our measurement. So my neck that I'm giving out is 3. So this is how it will mark your own when marking your own. So to bring down the neckline is also 3 that I'm giving out. So and it will have a open neck at the front middle. So just watch the way you are seeing me doing it and do it on your own. That is V-neck. So that is my round neck that I'm giving out. So after that, before giving out that round neck, we'll also bring it down. So that is my 1 inch that I'm using to cut the back, because we are cutting it all together. That's why I'm making it like that. So to bring out the V-neck now is what I'm marking also. So from where I just curve to my neckline is 3. So what I'm bringing out there, everything there is 6.5, because it's 3.5 that I added to my V-neck line that I want to cut. And that's my shoulder line that I'm also giving. My shoulder line that I give out there is 8, and you remember that is where we get our armhole. So I'll start with the measurement now. So my body measurement for my bust is 38, but I'm not using actual 28 and 38. So I'm adding it because of that freeness of the style that we are making. So I added 10.5. So remember, it's 10.5 that I marked here now. So come to the under bust line side that I marked. So is 10 that I give, just half inch, a little, to fray it. So that's what I'm doing there now. I'm adding my 1 inch allowance on the body. So it's 1 inch that I added on the body line that I just marked. So I'm connecting it from the bust to that my under bust that I marked 14. From the shoulder is 14, and that's where I get my under bust line that I just marked. So I'm just taking it down again. Remember, the folding, that the width of the body is 11.5. So we just mark the body measurement, that the bust, and what I marked there is 10.5. So that is my slope line that I'm giving out for the neck, that is the shoulder, is 1 inch that I marked there now. So that's my cutting now. So just follow every detail you can see me doing here now, and don't be confused. What I marked here on my bust is 10.5, but the actual measurement of my bust is 38. Can you see the little inch that I just added for it to be free? And coming to the under bust, is from the shoulder I marked 14, and to get my measurement on that I marked 10, but my actual measurement on my under bust is 37. So you can see the free that I just give out there for the freeness, so that it will be free for one to wear, because it will not have a zip. So that's why we are doing all of that. So now is zipper side. So now is the neck. So I've cut the body now, so I want to cut my front neck now. So you can see the way I'm cutting it to get my V neckline, and to also get a round neck that will come, because it will have round neck before coming down to that my V. So can you see the way I cut it? So I will also open it for you to see what I'm explaining to you now. So can you see the opening, and can you see the round eye it comes out? So this is how you mark and cut your own eye to come out very good. So this is the doll face that we are using to cut the facing side of it now. So you just place it the way you are seeing me placing it, and using the front to cut it. So it's the front body that I'm using to cut the neck now. So this is how you also place it when making your own. So don't be confused, just watch every detail that you can see me doing, and do it on your own, and have your fabric to cut it, so that you can able to cut this time and sew it on your own, and you'll be good to go when wearing it. So I want you to have your fabric to do that. So can you see the way I've cut the neck, and you can see what I want to give out there. Also what I'm giving out there is 16. So that is my 16 that I marked there now, to get our length that we need. And you can see the way I'm cutting it to get that my sharp V at the down side of it. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So can you see how simple it is? Just look at what I'm doing here now and do it. And please guys, always subscribe to my channel and watch my tutorials to the end, and give it a thumbs up, so that more people can learn from it and do it on their own. So I'm just showing you the way you will place it now, how you will place it on the neck and sew it and turn it to get this tie. So this is how you also place it. So when sewing it, you just sew it from the wrong side of the fabric, that the back side, and turn it down to the right side of it, so it will appear at the right side of it now. And after that you iron it. So I've done that now. So that is the sleeve that I want to also mark now. So what I'm marking is the two sleeves all together. That is what I want to cut. So I will cut it now, and see the way I'm doing it. So that is my length. My length that I'm giving out there is 10, including the folding, like the hemline, and the armhole side is 1 inch that I just marked, and you curve it out, and also give the round sleeve. So that my round sleeve that I'm giving out there is 16, including the allowance that you also have there. So coming down, the actual round sleeve is 14. So what I marked there, everything is 16. So I will cut it now, and after that we'll go and start our sewing and finish it and attach it to the body, and you can see that it will be ready. So I will do that now and wear it out. So can you see how it is now? So I've done that now. So this eye appear now very beautiful.
Yes guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you understood what we did here. We made use of doll face material for the front facing, and 2 yards of Ankara fabric for the main body of the style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. And also drop your comments, because of the comments one of our subscriber, our viewer, drop down. That was why we're able to make this style again, so that she can able to understand it. So you can also drop your own comments and let us feel about what you think about our tutorials. So guys, please don't forget to watch this tutorial again, watch it to the end. It's another way for you to support my channel to grow. Please always watch our tutorials to the end. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.